Hello everyone, I will be showing you how I made Cuchinta. So these are the ingredients that I used. I used brown sugar, cassava flour, all-purpose flour, water, lye water, butter, and grated coconut for topping. Alright, so first thing we're gonna do is mix up the cassava flour, all-purpose flour, and our brown sugar into our bowl. Alright, so after you mix all of those together, we will be slowly adding in our 3.5 cups of water, making sure we are breaking up those dry ingredients so that our consistency of the mixture at the end is almost like water. Alright, so now that our consistency is just like water, our last ingredient into the mixture is 1 tablespoon of lye water. Alright, now that everything is inside those molds, we are going to be steaming these for about 13 to 15 minutes on medium to low heat, and then our final results look like this. Da 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 da, Cuchinta! Also, it's not shown on video, but feel free to eat this with grated coconut or whatever topping you prefer. But thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe! Wow, feeling YouTuber!